Mindfulness instructions are steps that guide a person to focus on the present moment calmly and without judgment. To do this, you begin by finding a quiet place and sitting comfortably while paying attention to your breathing. You then observe your thoughts and feelings as they come without reacting or judging them, and gently bring your focus back to your breath if your mind wanders. Practicing these steps regularly helps improve concentrations, reduce stress, and promote emotional well-being. For features and functionality, section of a wellness apps highlighting 6 tools designed to support mental and physical well-being. Each feature has a specific purpose: breathing and sleep, focus and on relaxation and rest. Body scan and mindfulness helps users become more aware of their body and thoughts, while focus and visualization aim to improve concentration and reduce anxiety through guided mental exercises. For conclusion, the conclusion states that mindfulness practices help individuals improve focus, manage stress, and enhance overall mental and emotional well-being. By staying aware of the present moment, it emphasizes that these benefits come from consistently paying attention to thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. The text also notes that mindfulness uses simple practical techniques that can be easily added to daily routine, making it accessible for most people. And for future enhancement, the future enhancement section suggests that the app can be improved by adding personalized recommendations and AI-based mood analyze to make the experience more tailored to each user. It also proposes integrating wearable devices for real-time monitoring, which would allow the app to track stress or mood changes throughout the day. Additionally, features like multilingual support and gamification are mentioned as to increase user engagement and make the app accessible to a wider audience. Good day. So, i-demonstrate ko lang po yung system of mindfulness. So, we have breathing, scan, mindfulness, sleep, focus, visualization. So, all of this, we have 12 available meditations. Yan. So, we have progress. Kapag nagawa na yung meditation, halimbawa, sleep. So, evening wind down. So, yan. So, we have instructions over here. Then, kapag nagawa na po natin, markasta na po natin yan. So, you're done. Well done. Your meditation session has been recorded. So, mapupunta po yan sa progress. Ito po yan. Yung evening wind down. So, maraming session na pa nangyari. So, mayroon tayong 11, 10 minutes, 97, then unique 6. For testing, wala po akong testing, bali lahat po to is recorded but at least tracking lang po siya. Makikita mo dito yung nagawa mo. Yan. Yan. hindi po siya tracking. Hindi po siya testing of the application po. Bali po, tracking lang po siya kung ano man yung nagagawa mo sa kada meditation mo. Halimbawa, body scan. So, pinindot po natin yung body release. So, instructions: lie flat on your back with arms at your side. Close your eyes and take 5 deep breaths, starting at your feet. Tense each muscle group for 5 seconds. Then release completely. Move from feet up through calves, thighs, abdomen, chest, arms, and face. After completing the full body, rest in total stillness for 5 minutes, breathing gently and enjoying the deep release. Ayan po, so magasan po natin ulit. So, well done. So, we go to progress. Makita po ulit natin dito yan. Hindi po siya, hindi po siya application. For testing of the application. For lang po siya, for tracking. And so, thank you and God bless.